Hello everybody and welcome back to ARCS. These tutorials here are for those people who are willing to do something innovative in the field of computer science. Okay, and misuse of this knowledge is a criminal offense, so I would suggest you guys not to use this knowledge for criminal purpose or revenge in any sense. Okay, use this knowledge for a good cause. Okay, so let's start. Today we are going to learn about how you can collect information about a target website using Firebug. Okay, so first thing I'm going to tell you about the tool that says Firebug integrates with Firefox, providing a lot of development. Yeah, sorry, focusing on development tools, allowing you to edit, debug, and monitor CSS and HTML and JavaScript live in any website. Okay. And the second thing I would like to tell you is if you are not familiar with web development thing, then this tutorial is really hard for you to understand. Okay, and don't expect me to tell you about web development on this tutorial because it is a cyber security tutorial and not a web development one. Okay, there's something called homework also. If you want to learn something, you need to have something. Okay, so let's start again. First of all, I would like to tell you guys how to get the tool. Okay, so this time we're not going to go on Chrome but on Firefox because the tool is really compatible with Firefox. Okay, and it is better than Chrome because in Chrome you have a tool called inspect element, but it's not that effective as Firebug is. Okay, so we are going to go on that, and yeah, so open your Firefox, Mozilla Firefox browser. In case if you don't have, just get it and open. Okay, then go on the link getfirebug.com and press enter and wait for it until it's connect. Yeah, so a page will pop up the same way as I'm having on my screen. If you can see, of course you can see, it's a video, not an audio one. Okay, but you can see a red button which says install Firebug. If you click this button, it will redirect you to a download section of the website. Okay, which pops up like this one, which has a current stable version, which is stable with the current version of Firefox, and click download. As you install this tool, you will have a mosquito button over right side of the panel. Okay, which will be useful. Right now it's deactivated, but you can deactivate it by clicking on it. And let's go with the tutorial now. Okay, so let's use a random website. This time we are not going to use certifiedhacker.com but something else. Let's go for google.com, google.co.in, the search engine. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, now let's just click on this Firebug. Okay, let's see. Okay, so as we click on Firebug, it starts showing some numbers over its head. It is actually showing, scanning the errors over the page. Okay, it's showing the errors on google.com, google.co.in. Okay, I don't know why there's some kind of issue. Yeah, okay. This Firefox sucks because it's so slow. I don't like this thing. Even I don't use Firefox usually, but to make this tutorial, I need to use Firefox because it is effective. And people who are willing to learn over here, I need to do everything for them. Yeah. So this console tab and these HTML, CSS, script, DOM.NET, cookies tabs contains a lot of information about the Darkgate website. Okay, which you can use for penetration testing and as well as edit, debug, and monitor CSS, HTML, JavaScript live in any website. Okay, so let's go. Let's see the errors. It has already scanned 61 errors over the web page. Okay, and the same way you can actually see many things, cookies and all. You need to wait for sometimes because Firefox is quite slow. Okay, and yeah, you can use this console tab if you have seen in many of the websites which says complete the survey and then use the services. Okay, and when you are stuck, even after completing survey, things don't process up. So you can use these tabs if you are good with web development thing and use this tab and get rid of this survey things. Okay, and get a lot of information about things. Okay, and then there's an HTML tab which shows you the information about how what kind of language, what kind of programming is on this web page. Then it says CSS, which tell you how this web page looks so beautiful. You can actually use this coding while for learning web development thing also, because like if you know basics about web development, use these things, you can use these things and make your website look more beautiful. Okay, have everything logo this Google thing, which is having display, what kind of display, what kind of size, what height, overflow, position, width. Might not be understanding if you are not familiar with web development and programming languages. Okay, then script, which is JavaScript, which tells you about many things about this. Okay, it has breakpoints. There are no breakpoints set. Okay, cool. Stack, there's no stack. Cool, doesn't matter. And I actually have a lot of information about JavaScript over the website. Expanding these will give you more information. Clicking on this plus sign will give you more information about the website. Okay, then yeah, we'll go on DOM, which will show you many things about the website, objects and all, and what kind of language inside the object, and what kind of you can actually get, what kind of response you're going to get. Okay, then this net, come on. I hate Firefox because it is so slow, or maybe I'm using an older version because I'm usually not updated with Firefox. I don't like this browser personally. I use Google Chrome. It's better, faster, and have many things. Okay, so this net panel show tells you about request phases, start and elapsed time related to request start. Okay, and you can see many things like blocking, DNS lookup, domain name server lookup. It's time, how much time, plus, minus, everything. It shows in the graph. It's actually good to understand, and actually have a lot. You can have different information about these headers, response header, and request header. Okay, then you have cookies over here, which you can see what kind of cookies it accepts and leaves. Okay, cookies, every website has cookies things. Okay, what domain it is receiving, what raw size it is, what path it is, what time it expires, what kind of go up. Is this HTTP, hypertext transfer protocol, what all the services, like what all things are secure. Okay, this is secure, this is secure, and which gives you a lot of information about the website. And you can, if you're familiar with these things, you can actually use to edit and live debug and monitor the website live. Okay, that's cool, isn't it? Yeah, in case if you don't know this website, it's okay. Yeah, either you can learn these things and come back, watch this tutorial, and then it will be helping you out a lot. Or it's okay if you even don't learn this tool. It's not that heavy tool to learn, but still you should know, have an information about everything. Okay, from inside to outside. Okay, so let's end up this video here, and I'll see you in the next video. So till then, if you like this video, please hit like, share, and subscribe, because subscribe will help both of us. Okay, if you subscribe, I'll be happy, and I'll post real cool things which will help you out in practical world, like really great, that you can use every time to be show yourself up so cool. Yeah, okay, in college or school maybe, or in the job. By this time, it has already received 202 errors in the Google web page. That's nice. Okay, then see you in the next video. Goodbye. It's night here, so good night. Okay, goodbye.